Did you know it's possible to make tens of thousands of dollars every single month with affiliate marketing without ever talking about money or even showing your face? And it's possible thanks to a simple method that anybody can master. Now, I know that when most people hear about affiliate marketing for the first time, it's usually from some guru standing in front of a Lamborghini or some random guy they saw on TikTok. And this generally leads to a belief that you have to be some internet personality with a massive following to have any shot at success with affiliate marketing. And because of this, most people don't even try. You might be camera shy, afraid to put yourself out there. You might not be allowed on social media because of your job. There's 100 reasons why people avoid trying affiliate marketing. And it's this myth. Yeah, it's a myth that keeps people from a life of passive income on the internet. Well, I'm here to bust that myth because it's just simply not true. And that's because I want to introduce you to the concept of the affiliate niche site. These are teeny tiny little websites that talk about obscure but very specific topics online. In fact, you've probably seen one of these websites or maybe even bought something through one of them without even realizing it. And that's because these sites are really good at getting found in targeted Google searches. Sites like transmissioncoolerguide.com, bengalcatclub.com, waterfilterguru.com, and vacuumsguide.com. You see, all these websites don't actually sell anything. They're run by affiliate marketers anonymously, and they all make a boatload of money. That's because they review products or they answer questions inside of a niche and recommend products as a solution. And you're probably wondering right now, how much money do these websites actually make? So let's look at some traffic numbers, shall we? Right here is Transmission Cooler Guide's traffic numbers. And as you can see, 23,000 people a month end up on this website. And in the case of Water Filter Guru, 104,000 people a month end up on that website, talking about water filters. But traffic alone doesn't tell you how much money these websites make. Now, according to a recent report, about 3% of website visitors actually end up buying something from the website. So we're going to use that figure for our example. And let's take Water Filter Guru's numbers. I actually bought a water filter for my fridge back in December. That's how I found this site. And the filter package ended up costing me about 50 bucks. And I don't consider that a crazy purchase. I'd say it was about average. So let's take 100,000 people a month. At 3% means 3,000 people buy something from this website every single month. Amazon pays a 10% commission, so on a $50 sale, that's about a $5 commission. 3,000 sales at $5 a piece is $15,000 a month. Crazy, right? What's even crazier is that it's really simple to create a website like this. You need about 3 softwares and some time to write articles in the evenings. That's it. And if you want to get started but you're not sure how, I put together a free step-by-step tutorial showing you how to set up one of these websites click by click. Follow the link below the video. Enjoy.